Hi there, this is Jo Baird of Jo's Crafty Hook. I just want to show you a couple stitches here today. The first one is going to be a single crochet, and as you see, I have my slip knot, and I'm going to chain 6, okay? And as you can tell, I am a left-handed crocheter. Yes, there are a lot of videos out there that teach you this, but I figured I would throw my technique out there as well. Okay, so you have 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And with single crochet, you skip this first chain and then go into the second chain. Okay, you wrap your yarn around the hook and pull it through, and here you have 2 loops on your hook. And for single crochet, you're just going to wrap your hook around and draw it through. Okay, the next one, you go in the next chain, wrap your yarn around and bring it through. You have 2 loops, you wrap your yarn around and bring it through again. Okay, and me, I like to go under 2 of the 3 aspects of your chain. So I go under the 2, as you can see here, wrap my yarn around and pull it through. Okay, 2 loops on your hook, wrap it around and pull it through. Some people, they will go do the top loop only. Some do the post behind, but I like to go under the 2 stitches there. Okay, so wrap your yarn and pull it through. And for the next one and the last one, you wrap it around and pull it through. Okay, now to build on this, you want to chain 1, turn your hook, and here you see your 5 single crochet. Yes, 5, because for single crochet, you always skip that last stitch when you're making your single crochets through your chain. But here, we're going to go through all 5 of these single crochet. So I have my chain 1. You go under the 2 loops here, wrap your yarn around and pull it through. You have 2 loops, wrap your yarn around and pull it through. Okay, next we go under these. They look like chains, so you go under these chains. So you insert your hook, wrap it around, pull it through. Insert your hook under the 2 chains, wrap it around and pull it through. Wrap your yarn around the hook and pull it through. So you go under the 2 chain, wrap your yarn around, pull it through, wrap it around and pull it through. And then here we are at the very first single crochet we made with chain 6 and chain 5. So it creates that chain for you to go under when you skip that first one. Skip that first stitch from your hook. Okay, so you insert your hook in the last one, wrap your yarn around and pull it through. Okay, and there you have your single crochet. So you can keep building here, but be sure when you're doing a single crochet to chain 1 and turn your work. And then you go under the chain, the 2, wrap your yarn around, pull it through, go under the 2, wrap your yarn around, pull it through, wrap your yarn around, pull it through, making your single crochets. So that's all I have for you here right now today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like the way I demonstrated this. Give me a like or a dislike. Comment in the comment section. You can find me at www.joescraftyhook.com or Joe's Crafty Hook on Facebook. Thank you for joining me. Until next time.